Welcome back, creators. Today I'm showing you one of the most requested candle making tricks. How to make a perfect handmade candle stem with NO mold and NO special tools. If you've ever wanted a clean, smooth, flexible stem for your flower candles, stay with me because this tutorial is exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Here are the materials I'm using: beeswax granules, plus white, green, and yellow candle dyes. First, I pour the granules and a little floral paraffin into my pot and let it melt completely. When the wax is fully melted, I add the dye. After the wax and color blend completely, I let the temperature drop just a bit. Then I spoon the melted wax onto my silicone sheet and let it cool. Once it's fully cooled, I cut the sheet into a rectangle. I place the wick at the edge of the wax sheet and start rolling it tightly to form the stem. Then, using my hands or a fondant iron, I shape the stem until it becomes smooth and even. part of the stem where the flower will be attached should be slightly thinner, so I gently shape that area. I repeat this shaping process several times to make sure the entire stem is clean, smooth, and consistent. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. Leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.